Hi guys, I'm Yosef, and welcome to YouTube Bear channel. Today's topic is how to make text for speech for free. In this video, I am going to show you how I make the text for speech in my videos. And I'm going to give you 5 tips and a special tip at the end, so stay with me so you do not miss an important tip. I'm going to put the text I want to have in the video here, and record the computer with my cell phone. An important tip: pay attention to punctuation. It is very important that the voice sounds human. I will show you an example without punctuation. Hi guys, I'm Yosef and welcome to YouTube Bear channel. With punctuation. Hi guys, I'm Yosef and welcome to YouTube Bear channel. A small but significant difference. Now for 5 tips to help you with text to speech. Tip number 1. As I said in my example of text for speech, it is important to put punctuation that will help the voice sound human. Tip number 2. Record a few options and listen to them several times to decide what sounds more human. Tip number 3. Write a script before you start recording. It will make it easier for you to focus on the video. Tip number 4. Before you start recording with a particular voice, check as many voices as possible to be satisfied with the result. Tip number 5. Put a song or melody in the background to give a more professional atmosphere to the video. Look for a song without copyright. A special tip for the end. Try to say in the video as many times as possible the subject of the video, for the algorithm will understand what the video is about and will expose you in a YouTube search. For example, text-to-speech will help you upload videos without using your voice or an expensive microphone. Do as I do and use text for speech. I hope you liked the video and it helped you. Visit my channel to see more videos that will help you succeed on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel for my bear.